Assalamu alaikum. Tuwala musiza. Weba abducting ID mutwe. Routers ne kuba DW Africa ne wandika, Al Jazeera ne wandika, so many international news outlets ne ziwandika, the BBC, the CNN ne ziwandika. So Muhozi next day na kwata screenshots that TVs ezo ne media houses ne ziwandise. Na wandika anti just one statement and the whole world is mispronouncing my name. Nachiteka ku X handle ye. So tugezaako okwekubira endulu wabweru wa Uganda ne mu Uganda okugezaako okwetagulako Anachimalira Museveni ne mutabanyi we. From that statement that Muhozi posted, this is what came to my mind. We are dealing with someone who is shameless. We are dealing with someone who is brutal. We are dealing with someone who is all-knowing. We are dealing with someone who is all-powerful. Regardless. So we never down and reflecting on the time that President KYAGULANYI has been friends with Eddie Mutwe. In his conversation with one of the TVs in Kampala, he said he met Eddie Mutwe in 1996. Approximately nga president ali myaka nga 16 oba 17. Very young boys. Babeera bonna paka leero. Ba Solomon babazadde Eddie Mutwe waali. Basuubi babazadde Eddie Mutwe waali. So Eddie Mutwe is family. Eddie Mutwe is family. I'm sure President KYAGULANYI SENTAMU aina aba family ba ateesiga kusinga Eddie Mutwe be yazaalibwa nabo mu maama we bangi nnyo oba mu kitaawe. What is my point? When you see Muhozi arresting Eddie Mutwe, that means he has come to your family, President. Eddie Mutwe is coming to your family. Muhozi is coming for your family. Muhozi is narrowing down to your family. Because if he can abduct someone who has been with you and who has seen you grow to the man you are right now, blood. Temwewunya kumachanga Muhozi akedde kumachanga awambye Suubi oba Shalom oba any of your kids, Mr. President. Era ajja wamba omwana agambe condition yemwe akugambe genda ku Twitter oba ku Facebook owandike while apologizing to me and my father. Is capable of doing that. Alcohol abuse is real. Umwenga abantu bagwa abusing. And with the impunity that he displayed when he abducted Eddie Mutwe into the basement in the Munyigiza Runyankora and stuff, he's capable of doing these things. So when Kubiro Mulanga the president, blood, wowo sobola abana bafulumye eggwanga eryo. Get your kids out of that country. I know controversies zijja kubeerawo mu general public. Nje lwaki bamufulumiza abaana blood. Mu family yawaayiswa mufumbiro. There are very many kids. Bawaayo mufumbiro. Mu family ya Lubongoya gye bali SG waffe bawaayo Lubongoya. Mu family ya Katana bawaayo Katana. Nange nina baganda bange. Nange nzayogera ku Museveni. Okitegera. And I chose this route by myself. I chose to do this by myself. The time I've been speaking against the government of Museveni and agitating for freedom for my country, it's been my will. Sometimes niwogezako kusirika. Biba biruma ngulino byogerako. Kato whoever wants to comment into President adusa abaana be nga bafe bali mu Uganda in your family, tuwe yo muntu omu just omu bwati sacrificing for Uganda. President ye waddeyo. And you know very well ne baganda be naye bewaddeyo. Ashitege. Mukimanyi nti okulwanyisa Museveni family zimu zikugoba ne zigamba wayi ndekato toncha na ku mulimu gwange mbaako. And President has said this before. ntwalo basengaye bakubira essimu ne bamugamba toddamu kunkubira, bakojjayo bakubira essimu n'abagamba ngenda kujja mpiterekawo nkulabe, n'agamba tojja mwana wange. So you risk losing everything fighting against Museveni. President, leave alone the public reaction. Ugandans will never be satisfied over anything. Mu family yo batalina muntu ayimidde ku front line nga yali yekalakasizaako mu kibuga nga yali ayogeddeyo message yonna nga yo recordinze ku simu against Museveni and his dictatorship. Don't say word president wafulumya abaana be, but the right thing to do is sooka ofulumya abaana, sooka ofulumya abaana. Ne mukyalo basobola omu abductinga president. They can at least we abducting Mama Solomon oyinza okugumagumako because she's a big person. They know what to do and they know that they can always count on you. Nti omanyi, I'll not give up. Never muteka ku simu nga kwegayira ogamba no, let me try to expose this reality. Ne blood bakwata ku mwana muganda wange bro, bakwata ku mwana teri muzadde atayiika bibi baba. President Kyagulanyi, abaana bafulumye Uganda. I know these are your kids that you've grown up with, you've been around them, you've always wanted to be with your kids, bakulengo balaba every single day you come back home, but man, the times are not conducive. The times are not conducive. It affects Chiruma. But man, you need to get those kids out of that country. Because we are dealing with stupid people. We are dealing with arrogant people. We are dealing with ruthless, rude killers that are capable of doing anything. President. Selector Devi. Nyamba. Mforwardingire ka message kankano katoka ku president. At least niyo kaba kafunye view emunga ye. At least you need to get your kids out of that country, man. That place is no longer safe. At least mu abakulu mubeerewo tugulube n'omusajja. But it's not a safe space for the kids. Assalamu alaikum.